Hi, my name is Evelyn. I'm a furniture maker, Penland instructor, and this is my studio in the Mayland Printing Building in downtown Spruce Pine. My dad lived up in Massachusetts, and I would go spend the summers with him, and he would go to work every day, so I would go to my grandmother's house, and my grandparents had owned old colony furniture, and so there was all this amazing furniture with timbre drawers, and she had this vanity that had a spinning chair in front of it, and inside was all her costume jewelry and makeup and pond screen. Subconsciously, when I later went to art school to become an artist, it made sense that I express myself through furniture because these things were the most valued objects in our home and because they had had such an important part of my imaginary play world. So humor has always been an important part of my work because it's an important part of my life as a person. It's how I process pain and struggle, and I was going through a particularly tough few years and started making this farting furniture and coin-operated vibrating tables. I curate an event called Rimshot about humor, and at the end of that show, people were just like standing around in a circle, like cheering the tables and like putting all the stuff that had just fallen off back up and like putting more and more quarters in. And I was just like, I can't believe people are this excited about furniture. How do I make people this excited about furniture forever? You know, it's just like, it felt so good. I was like, yeah! And I was like, I can't believe this is happening. I need to be able to not think about function, not think about reality, but I also really want people to enjoy and be able to use what I'm making because my whole work is about making people happy. You know, you can waltz up and, you know, all of a sudden now you have jewels coming out of your crotch, which I think is just something everybody wants, you know. I need to also have pieces that are real furniture objects, and this is kind of a real furniture object, you know, version of that. And these have little vases that you can, little vials, and you can fill out and put fresh flowers based on your mood or holiday or whatever. As a woman, it's often questioned whether or not, you know, I make my own furniture. People will come into my shop for a studio visit or something and be like, so who makes your furniture? It's like, my table saw's right there. Who do you think's coming in here and using it? When you're in your studio and you're being a selfish artist, you know, and the whole world is falling apart outside, it doesn't feel good. You can't just sit in there and make this stuff without considering the whole world around you. Crafting the Future is artists working together to provide equitable opportunities in the arts. And we looked around our community and were upset about the lack of racial and ethnic diversity in the fields of craft, art, and design. And I realized that I couldn't wait for somebody else to fix this problem and that it was going to be something that I had to actively work towards myself. So I am very fortunate. I have been a Penland instructor, a Penland resident artist, and Penland student. And you know, the thing that I've gotten out of it the most is the community of loving artists, and the thing I want to give back is expanding that community to include more people in our world.